Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech PRO X Superlight. In this video I'll show you how to manage DPI stages. To manage DPI stages, let's go to Logitech G HUB and go to sensitivity. Select DPI preset, and here you can adjust stages between 100 DPI and the maximum DPI is 44,000. Now simply select stage and select the preset. Next, you can change default preset or reset it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.